Are you ready to discover how to harness divine wisdom and strength in order to create a prosperous, purpose-driven business that stands the test of time? Well, in part 2 of this series on partnering with God, I'll reveal the secrets to navigating obstacles by trusting in God and fostering a workplace environment that reflects your faith and values. Now, this game-changing partnership will revolutionize the way that you approach your work, bring you prosperity, and create a lasting impact on the world around you. And it all starts right here, right now. Hi, I'm Ryan Johnson from CoachingOverflow.co, the place where we pour into the lives of impact-driven coaches so that you can feel happy, healthy, and wealthy, and then overflow into the lives of your clients. And I want to welcome you back to our special 2-part series on how to partner with God in business. Now, if you haven't watched part 1 yet, be sure to check it out for insights on laying a strong foundation for your God-centered business by establishing a spiritual connection, implementing biblical principles, and making God-centered decisions. Now, you can check out the link to part 1 in the description below. Now, in part 2, we'll dive deeper into the journey of faith and entrepreneurship. So we'll explore how to overcome challenges and obstacles with trust in God, and how to harness the power of your testimony in order to inspire others in their own business endeavors. So, whether you're just getting started integrating faith into your business, or you're looking for guidance on taking the next steps, this video is packed with valuable advice and inspiration to help you continue your entrepreneurial journey with God as your ultimate partner. So let's make it happen. As a business owner, challenges and obstacles are inevitable. The big difference when you partner with God is how you see those challenges and how you overcome them. So let's discuss some powerful strategies to help you persevere during tough times. First off, trust God during difficult times. And one of my favorite Bible verses is Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. Now, that verse has literally gotten me through many challenges in my business and personal life. So when challenges arise, it's essential to trust that God is in control and has a plan for your business. And remember, He is the ultimate source of strength and guidance. So instead of giving in to fear or anxiety, lean into your faith and trust that God will provide the resources, wisdom, and opportunities that you need to overcome any obstacle. Because God has not given you the spirit of fear or timidity, but of power, love, and a sound mind. Next, maintain a positive and hopeful mindset. So Romans 15:13 says, I pray that God, the source of hope, will fill you completely with joy and peace because you trust in Him. Then you will overflow with confident hope through the power of the Holy Spirit. See, your mindset plays a crucial role in how you respond to challenges. And by cultivating a positive and hopeful attitude, you'll be better equipped to face difficulties head on and persevere through tough times. So turn to scripture, prayer, and your faith community for encouragement and inspiration. And remember, with God on your side, all things are possible. Next, turn challenges into opportunities for growth. So James 1:2-4 says, Dear brothers and sisters, when troubles of any kind come your way, consider it an opportunity for great joy. For you know that when your faith is tested, your endurance has a chance to grow. So let it grow, for when your endurance is fully developed, you will be perfect and complete, needing nothing. See how this is a paradigm shift for how to approach challenges? I mean, literally every challenge presents an opportunity for growth, whether personally or professionally. So instead of viewing obstacles as setbacks, see them as valuable learning experiences that build your endurance. And ask yourself, what can I learn from this situation? How can I grow and improve as a business owner and a person of faith? And by embracing challenges as opportunities, you'll emerge stronger and more resilient than ever before. Now that we've explored strategies for overcoming challenges, let's wrap things up by discussing the power of testimony. See, sharing your story of how God has impacted your business can inspire others and serve as a testament to His greatness. Now, here's how you can harness the power of testimony to glorify God and spread the message of faith. First off, share stories of how God has impacted your business. So every business owner has a unique story to tell about the ways in which God has guided, supported, and bless their venture. So don't be shy about sharing your experience. Whether it's a miraculous breakthrough, divine guidance during tough times, or the ways that your faith has shaped your business decisions, your testimony can serve as a powerful example of God's presence in your business. And then inspire others to seek a partnership with God in their own businesses. So by sharing your testimony, you can encourage others to explore what it means to partner with God in their own ventures. So show them the benefits of building a strong spiritual foundation and demonstrate how biblical principles can lead to ethical, successful businesses. See, your story can inspire others to embark on their own journey of faith and entrepreneurship. And then finally, use your platform to glorify God and spread the message of faith. So as a business owner, you have a unique platform to showcase the transformative power of faith. So use your influence to share the message of God's love and grace with your employees, your customers, and the wider community. So whether it's through social media, your company website, or local events, seize the opportunity to glorify God and promote the values that are at the heart of your business. Now, in my opinion, true success is when we're able to shift our focus from our accomplishments and milestones being all about us, and instead have a mindset of how we can share our journey in a way that gives God glory and encourages others. So remember, your testimony has the power to inspire and uplift others. So don't hesitate to share your story. I really hope that you found valuable insights and inspiration to help you continue building a successful, God-centered enterprise. And remember, with God as your ultimate partner, you can overcome any challenge. You can create a positive and nurturing work environment, and you can inspire others through your testimony. Now, I'd like to take a moment to pray together for the success and growth of your God-centered business. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for guiding us through this journey of faith and entrepreneurship. We ask for your continued wisdom, strength, and provision as we navigate the challenges and triumphs ahead. Please help us always seek your will in our decisions. Help us to create businesses that glorify you and serve others, and help us to be the light that inspires others to seek your presence in their own lives. We trust in your goodness and your grace as we continue to grow and thrive with you by our side. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of partnering with God in business. Now, I hope that you found inspiration and practical advice to help you make God the center of what you're doing in your business and your personal life. And if you enjoyed this series, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. And may God continue to bless you and your business abundantly. And until next time, keep pouring into your life so that you can overflow into others.